Britain memorial flight, the Douglas Dakota 3. One of the crew members
into the interior of the invasion area. This aircraft, in fact, States Army Air Force. In fact, when work was being carried out on this aircraft, some autographs were uncovered on the interior of the fuselage of soldiers that had travelled in this aircraft in 1944.
Yeah, so...
Since we last saw the BBMF Dakota at Duxford, it's had a new colour scheme and ostensibly for the repatriation of casualties from the Normandy battlefield. Aeroplane now depicts 2437 squadron of the Royal Canadian Air Force, and post-war that Dakota remained in Canada and in fact is still airworthy today.
And if you get
the BBMF
distinctive rasp there of those twin Wasp radial engines delivering